regarding IPKO. But first, we will have opening remarks by the President of Parliament of Sint Maarten and the Chair Lady of this IPKO, Ms. Grisha Heiliger Martin.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon to the press. Good afternoon to those listening and viewing online. I would like to formally say that we have not just a few minutes ago concluded the IPKO of May 2022, and we will now go into the formality of signing off on the agreement list. I would like to ask our Secretary General to bring it over so that we can sign off before we proceed. The agreement list is officially signed. It has been an honor to host this Interparliamentary Kingdom consultation for May 2022 here on our friendly island of Sint Maarten. I do hope that all delegation members of the Parliament of Aruba, Curaçao, and Sint Maarten and the Netherlands have had a fruitful IPKO. It has been an IPKO in which each delegation presented their recent developments in their countries, thereby giving the others a little look into the realities of each country. I believe this allows us to understand better how everything is operating in each other's country. We've had a very informative technical briefing that, contrary to the plan, it was a bit contrary to the plan, but in an agreement with each other, it was held in an open setting and in which not only us as parliamentarians could have learned more about the draft cohort consensus law, but also the people of the countries. We were able to share with each other our thoughts about the draft consensus kingdom law and create an understanding for each other. We also agreed that the delegation will request their governments for a reaction regarding the execution and timeline for the various motions from Van Raag, De Graaf, and Rozenmuller. We were also able to discuss the consensus kingdom laws in general and identify very important points that should be further looked into in order to bring clarity regarding the consensus law. And I do hope that we can discuss this further in the next IPKO in the Netherlands in September of 2022. Indeed, there were good, constructive, and open discussions regarding sometimes very difficult topics, and I'm happy for that. In my opening speech, I said that I hope that this will be the IPKO of all IPKO, and I believe that it was. I must say that we met each other halfway through, and I mentioned with my colleague earlier that we met each other in the middle ground and we came to a consensus, and I hope that our government can do the same, our governments can do the same. And with that, I thank you and I thank everyone for the dialogue. It has been fruitful. I'm grateful and thankful for this honor to having you in my country, and I look forward to the questions by the press.
I will now give the floor to the other delegations for some brief remarks. The delegation leader of the Netherlands, Mistress Marielle Powell.
Thank you very much. En dank u wel, mevrouw de voorzitter. Dank aan het organiserend voorzitterschap van Sint Maarten. Als ik terugkijk naar de afgelopen dagen, dan kan ik niet anders dan constateren dat we in een goede, constructieve en open sfeer besprekingen hebben gevoerd. Soms over ingewikkelde thema's, maar altijd met respect en in alle openheid. En wat mij betreft, en ook wat betreft mijn delegatie, is dat meteen het belangrijkste winstpunt van dit IPKO. De voorzitter zei al, de IPKO of all IPKO's, en zo voelde het wel een beetje. We hebben afgesproken om ook in de nabije toekomst met elkaar in gesprek te blijven op deze manier. Deze dialoog en de open sfeer vertaalden zich deze week concreet in een afspraak dat de parlementen van de 4 landen op 20 mei verslag zullen uitbrengen over het Rijkswetsvoorstel COHO. En dat is een heel mooi concreet resultaat waar we in gezamenlijkheid uit zijn gekomen. Dus dat wilde ik niet onvermeld laten. Dank u wel.
Thank you. The delegation leader of Curaçao, Mistress Sharietti America Francisca.
Danke. Mita sia papiamento. Mita me quero agradecer na nome da delegação de Curaçao. Nós quero agradecer Sint Maarten, senhora Grisha Heiliger e seu time e todo outro parlamentário para receber nós na Sint Maarten. Me quero agradecer também a delegação de Aruba, a delegação de Holanda, para lo qual não conosco a discutir e discussão que estava hopi ameno, portava um tique forte, pero nós a sali fordinan para nós estava tremendo IPKO. Danke.
Thank you. The delegation leader of Aruba, Mr. Edgard Vrolijk.
Bom dia, goedemorgen. Boa tarde, verdade. Na primeiro lugar, nós quero agradecer pelo qual cuta Sint Maarten para o recebimento caloroso que nós raia e seguro para poder organizar IPKO que está assim succesvol. Mas colega anterior bisa acabam durante a reunião que nós pora papia, não sei se é holandês openhartig, nós pora debatir, nós pora trazer nos pontos de lande e seguro cada quem por sa cada quem está para. Nós, como país, Aruba sempre bisa de maneira que dois leis que estamos em dois Rijkswet, nós não está para não manejo dantar. No caso nós o que é o cambio, é te cambio que nós duna de conhecer também na constelação holandês, por a eerste tweede kamer, que de cambio que nós está e quatro forma não que pode ser, porque tem outra maneira de por assim. Pero em geral, me bisa trove, me está contento entre outro que petição de 20 mei que vem for de fração local da delegação de Aruba e a ser honra, to mostra que nós temos bom caminho de reino, para nós por debatir, papia e chegar junto na consenso na bem-estar de reino. Nogmaals, ten artikel, danke por oportunidade de portar wat na IPKO Sint Maarten e por desfrutar e wat IPKO hoop e fructífero.
Thank you. We will now allow members of the media that are present the opportunity to pose their questions. Time permitting, we will allow for 2 rounds of questions. When given the floor, please state your name, the media house that you are representing, and to which delegation leader your question is directed. We encourage you not to ask general questions to all delegation leaders, but rather direct your question to a specific leader. We will first start with the media house of Sint Maarten. To whom may I give the word?
Thank you. Good evening.
One moment, please, Bibi. Before going over to the press, the delegate, Mr. Bryson would like to speak.
Thank you. Just I'll be very brief, in terms of once again thanking all of the colleagues from the Netherlands, Aruba, and Curaçao for being with us in Sint Maarten. It has been a pleasure to host all of you here, to have the discussions in person. Like we mentioned, we've had some of these IPKOs on Zoom, but we have to admit it is much more effective, much more concrete when we are able to meet in person, exchange ideas, not just in this hall, but also in the hallways, at lunch, etc. So it's been a great pleasure to have you all here. I would like to thank all the factions of Sint Maarten Parliament who also contributed to the various positions that Sint Maarten has brought forward during this IPKO, because it is a united front. Although we might have our differences when it comes to different things in Parliament, the positions expressed here seem to be in line with what all of the different factions wanted to see out of IPKO. So I want to thank them as well. And finally, also thank the griffier and the entire griffie, the staff of Parliament who has worked tirelessly throughout this time. I would say literally 24/7 have been available throughout this week to make it a possibility. I see the hard work and it does not go unnoticed. So I thank you all for that. And it's been a pleasure to host all of you for IPKO 2022 spring here in Sint Maarten.
Thank you. We will first start with the Media House of St. Maarten. When answering, please raise your hand to indicate that you would like to speak. Whom do I give the floor? Ms. Bibi Shah.
Thank you. My question is to the representatives of the Netherlands. After listening to the opening statement from all countries, Curacao, Sint Maarten, and Aruba, it became clear that these countries stated that they have signed or agreed to the COHO draft law on their threat. After hearing this and meeting the Sint Maarten members of parliament in person, who of course gave you more information on how the people feel and the effects of the 12.5% cuts that are imposed on the people of Sint Maarten, what is your position now?
Thank you for that question, ma'am. If it's all right with you, I will answer in Dutch. Kijk, het waardevolle, en collega Bryson stipte dat net al aan, is dat je in zo'n setting als IPKO persoonlijk van gedachten kunt wisselen en niet alleen maar stukken leest, maar ook dat mensen in staat zijn hun sentimenten en gevoelens over te brengen. En dat je op een heel genuanceerde manier kunt praten over de issues die er zijn. En dat hebben we gedaan. En wat dat betreft is het voor mij en mijn delegatie ongelooflijk waardevol om al die input die we hier hebben gekregen mee te nemen bij de behandeling van ons parlementaire traject. Dat start op 20 mei, zoals ik net ook al aangaf. En dan zullen ze al die input, want ik zeg ze, de delegatie van Nederland is natuurlijk ook een delegatie die bestaat uit parlementariërs. En wij zijn niet de Nederlandse regering. Wij gaan de COHO, het wetsvoorstel, ook behandelen in het parlement. In eerste instantie in de Tweede Kamer en vervolgens in de Eerste Kamer. Wat daar precies uitkomt, kan ik ook niet zeggen. Ik weet één ding, dat alles wat hier gezegd is, wat we gehoord hebben, wat we ook gevoeld hebben, dat we dat meenemen bij de behandeling van het wetsvoorstel. Dank u wel.
Thank you, Mr. Spaull. I will now go over to the media of Curacao. Can you raise your hand in Curacao?
There is two media in Curacao. Who's first? Okay. There's
Erwin,
Ann.
go ahead.
Yes, this is me. Hello, can you hear me?
Loud and clear, go ahead.
Thank you. I have a question for the delegation of Curacao itself. Can I do it in Papiamento? So, yeah, see?
You may proceed.
See. Die parte da delegação de Curaçao, die Tele-Curaçao, notícia é escarbei. Que passagem for die esaki, com satisfeito você está com a reunião aqui. E o resultado portar para Curaçao e que posição Curaçao está no momento na aqui. Senhora Merigo do Day, feliz dia.
Feliz dia, feliz tarde para você Antônio Curaçao. Danke para a pergunta. Nós subimos com nossa Bini IPKO com uma posição com nossa rainha mandar dor de nosso parlamento. E ribe posiciona em nossa papia e nossa sala de basta fructífero, para nós queda como uma delegação e nós ribe tur ponto na maneira a delegação Holanda também bisori nós fora papia com outro para o que nós chega num consenso. Caminho que nós está pega desfigurado nós está bem seca outro, mas o que nós meet outro halfway. Dus Maria di punto na aqui a bem dilante. Por exemplo, nós temos um ponto que estava importante com a pessoa na papel pedir, com a bisa despedir stress de mei, nós não podemos entregar nosso slag na massa. Ela cambia, ela vira 20 de mei, e não podemos mirar toque, ou não se chega, para nós e não está halbar 20 de mei, nós está papel com outro aqui dentro, e tu tenta compreender de como sobre o processo de Curaçao, tá outro foi o processo de Aruba, o processo de Sint Maarten e o processo de Holanda. Não olvidar que nós é único que abine com 3 moções claro que o parlamento aduna nós. E nós temos moção de parlamento para o terceiro mandato que nós temos. Desse outro parlamento também compreender isso e também se a bem hope verschuiving die mais cambio per esse dia nós tem persconferência mas não bisa na corso chamar somente nós vamos mais em detalhe permita dona favor aqui que é que nós schuif e fecha acaba de dia 3 bebira 20 de maio esse que acaba de cambio hope grande para caminhar todo o parlamento na o que tem a chance de tranquilo para não país back passou despeje e porque hobby cos novo mas bem nós vai sinta tranquilo tra nos relato como este vai para administrar. Thank you.
Thank you. We will now go over to the media of the Netherlands, Mr. Gravier.
Sí, correcto. Tour e Island, nami bisabo tour e Island, incluso landa a sali, con lo cual que para riba pensa agora aqui não está aceitável para a Island. Esse é ponto que nós sali fazer. E ponto não de dolor, e ponto não que nós bisa, nossa papel é furo riba não. Você por ter não pessoa ele vem mas pessoa de vergadering, pero nos papel do riba não, anto que ponto não que tour fração, tour delegação, então para de fração, delegação de Corsou, é de Aruba. E também Sint Maarten está de acordo com a maioria de pontos não do lo, que nós sabemos que três funções que o parlamento dona dia 26 de abril, não também tem mesmo dolor não. Dus é dolor não só, é dolor na tour e três islas não. Dus em nome da mira que é lobo em cambio e também o governo não para mostrar nos relato que também dona também é mesmo ponto não de vista que não tem relato para o governo não é de nota contestar-nos ante o também está de três coisas vai dar.
Thank you, sir. We will now go over to the second round of questions. Are there any additional questions from the media of St. Maarten? I will start with Ms. Jacqueline from the Daily Herald.
Yes. Goedemiddag, felicitatie. My name is Jacqueline Hoffman for the Daily Herald. I would like to ask a question about financial supervision. Viviendo dispensa e delegación de Aruba y Curaçao. I would like to ask the delegations from Sint Maarten and the Netherlands. And could you please answer in English for my colleagues who do not understand Dutch? The question is about financial supervision. The measures that are being taken are hitting the citizens of the islands hard. Meanwhile, I don't know about the marinas in Curaçao and Aruba, but those on Sint Maarten do not pay erfpacht cannons, or they pay partially or a very reduced tariffs of 4 guilders, where 10 guilders per square meter is usual. This means that the government is missing out on millions of dollars per year. And if you consider that the value of the yachts, like $90 million yachts, 10% of that represents the cost of maintenance. So calculating with 51 mega yachts in Sint Maarten, that represents $500 million. Apart from that, there's the casinos. There is money on the budget for a gaming control board that since 12 years has not been instated. So there's two industries that are really not supervised. So my question is, how do you come to sustainable finances if there's these rich industries that are not being taxed?
St. Maarten delegation.
The two delegations.
Can you just,
Yeah.
if I
To
may?
Sint Maarten and Holland.
Oh, okay. Well, I can go first. I have to say that, especially someone that has been a tourism director myself, I don't think it's correct to say that the yachting sector is not bringing in, let's say, sufficient proceeds directly to the government. First of all provisioning that is provided to support for fuel, as well as, let's say, provisioning of food, etc., is all subject to tax. Should the ERFPAC go up? Probably, yeah, definitely. I think that's something, but that would be minor compared to taking 5% of every proceed that is taxed, the assigns on the fuel that is done, and also the fact that you have dozens, sometimes at a time, hundreds of crew on the island that are staying here at the different hotels, at different apartments, and so on. Should it be taxed better? Indeed, but this is the point of reforms. I think, as I highlighted in my opening speech, the government has presented to Parliament that they are at a 92% success rate in executing the reforms thus far. When you look at the country packages, a lot of those things are tied already to our governing program, where issues like the marine sector, introducing an environmental levy on the marine sector, all of these things, I believe, will be integrated into the reforms. So on that end, also related to casinos, a gaming control board, all of these reforms, with or without a cohort, is the part of the intention of this government within the governing program. With the efforts we've seen so far, I know that there is a steering committee for the gaming control board that is already heavily at work drafting that legislation. So I just want to not give the impression that it's something that's completely being ignored. I don't think a cohort has caused the attention to be on this. I think the signing of the coalition agreement of the current government is what has started a serious look at those reforms.
Due to time, we're just asking one question per delegation. You wanted to address the question also to the Dutch delegation.
Government 1.2 million. The question was directed specifically to ERFPACT, and one of the marinas in Sint Maarten owes the government 1.2 million per year.
Yes, indeed, and I can attest to that issue, because that is something that in Parliament we passed a motion asking the government to definitely clamp down on that and other issues. The proceeds, according to the national budget, we have seen a year-on-year increase every year on the collection of ERFPAC. It's a collaboration between the Ministry of Finance and VROMI. I believe with that particular case you're referring to, it is in court. But absolutely, I think you've heard it from members of Parliament, they need to go pay. And that has to be done. Absolutely, I agree with that.
Thank you, Mr. Bryson. I will now continue with, yes, the Netherlands.
I can respond just briefly. First of all, this was not a topic that we elaborated on during IPKO, so I'm not aware of the specifics. That's one thing. The second is that, to my mind, this is a matter for Sint Maarten, for the autonomous state. So, I mean, in the Netherlands, we decide on how to tax, what sectors, industries, and so it's not really something that I believe I should comment or elaborate on. And having heard what colleague Bryson just said, it's something that has the attention of local government and Parliament as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Powell. I will now allow Mr. Steven Cerillion from the Voice of St. Maarten to pose his question.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon to all. My question is for the Chair Lady of St. Maarten Parliament. In your opening statement, you said that the dispute, not the dispute regulation, but the draft consensus kingdom law was dealt with during the discussion. This is yet to at least realize a definite settling of the entire situation. What's the bottleneck in the parliaments reaching a common understanding as it pertains to this draft consensus kingdom law?
The parliaments of St. Maarten in general, or the parliaments of...
Parliaments in general.
Well, As Carrizo just stated, thank you for the question. As Carrizo just stated, they already made their position clear, and the parliaments of Aruba and parliaments of Sint Maarten and Holland are still in deliberations of it. What we've decided is that we need some more time, and that by May 20th, we will send in our full report on the questions. And so Sint Maarten hasn't made a strong position on it as yet. Some individuals, members of parliament in Sint Maarten, I think some in Aruba, have made their own statements on it. But as a cohesive body, we haven't done that as yet. And as we are still in deliberations. Sint Maarten, I can speak for Sint Maarten myself. Sint Maarten is still waiting on a feedback from the Council of Advice, the Raad van Advies. We're also waiting on feedback from the SED. This was part of the CCARE agreement we made internally, where we seek information from all the certain Council of States and also some experts, which we already did. So we're still internally compiling and giving a full statement on where we stand with it in total. And that's where we are for Sint Maarten. So in 2 weeks, we will have a firm stance and with questions where we are. I hope I answered it.
Thank you, Chair Lady. Is there any additional questions from the media of Curacao?
Yes.
Erwin, you have the floor.
Okay, thank you. Mi quero perguntar não com a para com a entidade de BZK começar a bem entidade. Quizás você pode contestar não sei se a discussão é você aí bele o rol de BZK em totalidade aqui de Congo.
Sim, correto. Nós discutimos também. Pensei, mas bisa tá na boa pessoa na prensa de Kosovo e na povo de Kosovo. Cultura de 3 países, Aruba, Sint Maarten e Kosovo, na turta tem mesma opinião e pensamento arriba e tolona quando está tem den e reikswet aqui, incluso é um de BZK. Então, com outra palavra, não há assim na statement maneira Kosovo se assim. Pero dan também tem o processo para também fazer statement de com. Porque no Lubidano tem acordo de governação de Holanda não abuta linha mais clara aí. Então a linha na visa, então me tá com visa local com na visa, tem statements que vi na página 8. Voor een betere toekomst voor het gehele koninkrijk. Als je ons de papi die enter koninkrijk significa turmi dolonan, botingo wakta, botingo sintinang, e botingo compreensão panang. Então tem e caso que na nossa papi tur e costa que dilante outro recht tegenover elkaar, wak outro den cara e expressar ta di com edolona que está sendo aqui, e com o parlamento também é edolona aqui. E nada tem uma compreensão que me está de tur e outro parlamento, incluso questão de Holanda. Então, me está querendo, ora é relato bem, então, caminha de relato naturalmente, tur é compilação que está vai dentro, então, ora lo gostando mira, que é pensamento de casi de tur e 3 en ieder geval de 3 islas lo meer que tem linha correta canadense da bisabo que te dolona ni nan so nandolo da nos dolo também anto ta PCI agora que tá de guardurato manema bisa agora que orum se corso nós é promessa aqui mês nós também temos reunião de comissão central maneira é lei conforme artículo 16 do Estatuto BISA, como tem uma reunião de Comissão Central, caminha para dar um relato e entregar essa aqui na Holanda, na Rijksministraat, caminha tur e 4 governo não também sentam junto e tu não nos contesta. Então, eu nós está Takiko nang pensamento nang tabaybira arriba non solo nang. Anto inang bota sa não se pensar, talvez é hora que não se pouco prematura ainda, porque não se bisa sempre. Laga lei cana dentro do processo maneira está para sobre o parlamento da cana direção, governo da cana direção. Então, ora esse chega no processo e não sai contesta, anterior não so dar step further na onde não se vai chegar. Pero o ponto é que o parlamento não tour tanto de Holanda, Sint Maarten, Aruba e Curaçao de acordo com ele, o edolonai, anto maneira que está arriba mesa a hora que é nota aceitável. Bem, e bisa de caco de bis DJ, é tabutado de onde pimpando na de nós também. Então, para a maioria de nós é nota aceitável de maneira que está a hora que é seita clear cultura parlamento na bis de saque. Dank je.
Okay, ato que feedback você ganha voor die Holanda met senhor today?
Mas que bebisa não também tem que entrar no relato, porque agora bom, não tampouco não vai no parlamento para ficar na posição maneira não se não sei se é, não também tem que vai discutir essa questão no parlamento. Então manda não nota também dia 20 para o governo não. Então não também a mesma coisa, tem é processo cambio para não. Agora vamos se sentar aqui não com o parlamento, não parlamentário não se sentar com o governo. Mas aí bisa nós tacando dois caminhos, governo DJ, nós e nós. Então também tem que vai sentar com não parlamento, com não governo, não parlamento fica na posição, manda não nota para o governo dia 21.
Dank je, senhor today.
Thank you. Does Mr. Anthony of Curaçao have any questions? No. Okay, I will now go to the Netherlands. Do you have any additional questions? No question. Oh, go ahead, yes.
Ja, het spijt me zeer, maar na heel veel IPKO's spreek ik toch nog onvoldoende papiaments om dit precies te kunnen verstaan. Dus als u een vraag wil stellen in het Nederlands, dan krijgt u ook in het Nederlands antwoord.
Is that it?
Nou, we hebben daar gewoon kennis van genomen. Veel belangrijker is dat we over de COO en andere intensief met elkaar van gedachten gewisseld hebben. Dat we de voor- en nadelen besproken hebben. Dat we goed begrepen hebben ook waar sentimenten liggen. Dat wordt in de Nederlandse delegatie zeg maar verzameld en opgehaald. Daar zullen we ook iets mee doen. Het is toch niet zonder betekenis dat we als parlementen vanaf 20 mei volgende week of 2 weken van nu de vervolgstap zetten. En dan zal het ook duidelijk worden wat fracties in de diverse staten en parlementen in eerste instantie willen vragen of misschien ook vinden in eerste instantie. Maar het debat komt natuurlijk allemaal nog later. Ja, dus weet je, wij hebben er geen uitgesproken opvatting over wat de staten of de regeringen van de landen in het Caribisch deel van het Koninkrijk daar nu van vinden. En misschien mag ik ook een kort element ook toevoegen, omdat in de eerste vraag nog aandacht werd gevraagd over de 12,5%. Daar is natuurlijk ook uitgebreid over gesproken. En ik denk in ieder geval, het minste wat je kan zeggen, dat is dat de Nederlandse delegatie in zijn totaliteit doordrongen is van het feit dat dat grote impact heeft op sommige beroepsgroepen. Zeker die beroepsgroepen die toch met een salaris moeten rondkomen wat beperkt is. En in de context waarin we ook in Nederland leven met hoge inflatie, dat is natuurlijk een fenomeen wat we ook hier zien in de landen van het Koninkrijk, in het Caribische deel van het Koninkrijk, heeft dat grote impact. En gelukkig dat dat ook de aandacht van de staatssecretaris heeft. Zij heeft onlangs gezegd dat ze op korte termijn daar ook een nadere mededeling over zal doen. Nou ja, daar wachten wij gewoon op. Dus daarover zijn wij, Tweede Kamer en Eerste Kamer, ook over in dialoog met de staatssecretaris. Maar dat dit een element is wat ook besproken is en waar wij meer inzicht in hebben gekregen, dat leek me toch ook nog goed om dat even te vermelden.
Thank you. Mr. Vrolijk of Aruba will also like to respond.
Sicuro Montari, nós cinco faz correção sobre nós de parlamento está ganhando trayectória separada. O governo afirma a nós está ganhando procedura que está prescrever. No momento aqui, dia 20, nós vamos ganhar os verslag. E naturalmente Turco sigue nós em tour diferentes debates que tem preliminariamente nós avisa bom claro de maneira que é duas leis que passou. Aruba não tem lei de consenso, só Aruba tem duas leis de consenso, de maneira que nós não está sostenendo. Pois a trova nós temos que corrigir o pensamento que nós está ganhando junto com o governo. Se não é caso, nós sacamos as proceduras que está prescritas no parlamento, nós está terminando no dia 20, entregando nos verslag. E preliminariamente nós parlamento de maioria hobby grande está para trás de maneira que duas leis aqui de conceito de reino está de outro, nós não está sostenendo.
Thank you, sir. Due to time constraint, I will be allowing 2 more questions from the press of Sint Maarten. Mr. Ralph Kantav of Philipsburg Broadcasting, you may pose your question.
Thank you, and good afternoon to everyone. My question is for the Dutch delegation or representatives. And if possible, it would be great to answer in English as the question also relates to Sint Maarten. And my question is, what consideration has been made to restructure the manner in which aid is given to the islands, especially Sint Maarten, since we live in a hurricane belt? A major complaint of the inclusion of the World Bank is the bureaucracy and delayed development or reconstruction, which fails to efficiently solve the problems the funds intended to address. So how will the Dutch Parliament hold the Dutch government accountable to ensure wastage, inefficiencies, and balloon projects are thoroughly being reviewed and not remembered by cosmetic photos? Thank you.
Thank you very much for that question. I'm glad you asked that question, because in the end, and I think that's something that goes for Sint Maarten, but in the Netherlands as well, the money that we spend on a variety of projects in the end is generated by hardworking citizens. It's our tax money. So you can rest assured that we want to make sure, by monitoring, by asking the right questions, by also attentively listening to reports that we get, that the money is well spent. And there are several sources where we get that information. Just recently, a few weeks before I came here to IPKO, we had an extensive briefing by the World Bank and by the ministry and by several other stakeholders, telling us about the projects that are going well, telling us about restructuring, but also quite frank reports about things that have been delayed or things that will take a little more time, for instance, due to COVID. So I would like to perhaps reassure you that we are not blinded by sugar-coated stories or cosmetic pictures, because as parliamentarians, we feel it's our job to make sure that the money is well spent. As I said, taxpayers' money. So we need to be careful and make sure that it is spent in the best way possible. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Powell. Ms. Grisha, did you have a response to that question? Okay. Mr. Wilnemar, you can now pose your question.
Thank you very much. And my question is directed to the chair lady of our parliament, Sint Maarten. Obviously, a lot of time and effort went into deliberations about coho, but I'm almost sure that this agreement that was signed has other things in it that are of importance to report to our people. What else do you think is important that was agreed on that is important to share with the general public?
Pertaining to the coho, I think one
No,
was-
IPKO.
Oh,
The
IPKO in
IPKO
general, the most
deliberations.
important thing is that in the next IPKO, we're going to be looking at maybe how the consensus, the structure of the consensus law is in general, how it is put together, how it will be working. Because remember, one thing I think we need to remember, this is the first time we're doing a consensus law 12 years into the kingdom. And we have so many questions because we're unsure of it because we've never done it before. That is going to be something we would want to table in the next April to discuss in depth how the trajectory of a consensus law is put together. That's one main takeaway that was posted in there. And another main takeaway is really looking into asking our governments what's the update on maybe looking on making changes in the kingdom. These two things are key takeaways that we tabled here in the IPKO and that we're going to be looking forward to in the next IPKO, which is the end of September, I think, hosted in Holland.
Thank you, Chair Lady. Considering the time, we have now come to the end of our press conference. Thank you for your participation, and I will now return the control to the Chair Lady for her closing remarks.
Thank you. Thank you for all your questions. Ms. Bibi Shah, I see you really want to ask a question. I'll allow one.
So, Ms. Martin, I have a question because it's based on your program. This delegation, it was supposed to, along with Sint Maarten Parliament, visit several sites. I'd like to know if the delegation, in fact, physically visited the Princess Juliana International Airport to see the progress or lack of progress thereof. And especially knowing that Schiphol is running our airport on Sint Maarten and knowing that there are some severe developments in Holland, was these concerns addressed us all during this meeting?
That's another thing I didn't get to mention. Thank you for that. One thing that we had a slight change in the program. We were not able to go physically to Princess Juliana International Airport. The Mr. Brill and Mr. Brian Mingo came and did a presentation, a virtual presentation, and gave us an update of where they are and what the timelines were. So given the logistics, it was hard to have all the delegation go and do the tour, the direct physical tour, but we got an update only via a presentation. While we're on that topic, another thing that we omitted was the tour to the Milton Peters. So where we went physically were 3 places. We went to the Point Blanche prison today, we went to the dump, and then we also went to our hospital. There they physically walked through and saw the many developments of the hospital. And that was for the most what we could have done given the situation, given the logistical situation and time. I hope that answers your questions. And with that, everyone, I would like to wholeheartedly thank, most importantly, as stated by MP Verlander Bryson, our griffiers. Most important, Sint Maarten, our griffier. Thank you for a job well done. Everything was on time. We had a little snag in the beginning, but it was not of anyone's fault with the little the sound, but we started on time. We started a little late, but we ended on time, and we ended on a high note. It kind of set the tone for the next day, which was salmon working, which was working together in the kingdom. And that it from having a nice discussion on the coho to moving out to the Emilius Wilson Park, having a nice cocktail party. It really set the tone to discuss really in depth certain elephants in the room that I mentioned earlier. We were able to address them wholeheartedly. And I must say, I will continue to say that this was an IPKO of all IPKO, and we really want to show our governments that we can come together, we can meet each other halfway, and we had consensus on many times. Many times when I said, hey, we have consensus, we clapped. So it was really, really an amazing time. I enjoyed learning, getting to know most of the members of parliament, and I thank you. I thank you, and I thank you everyone for being part of this, and it was amazing. Thank you.
Bom, na me agradeci uniturco a seguir-nos a parte de prensa de IPKO. Me está mais contente mesmo que nós podemos chegar de bocas, de uma outra boa, sabe? De chegar ainda, tinha trabalhando, caminho que botar, como pode seguir a prensa aqui live, se conosco, aqui na plataforma entrevista, lástima assim, o tudo diário de prensa na meia hora, a mim também começa a hammer de coisa aqui, pessoal. Meia hora só, que nós vai 45 minutos tal, pero é suficiente para posto pergunta. A mim, minha última pergunta que me dá tinta, contar com autonomia. Você está sentindo que depois de saque, a Holanda compreender que o corpo também na autonomia? Me importa essa pergunta aí. Pero me estou contente se eu pergunto como assim, quanto de isso não que está pro, como Sint Maarten, que Holanda, que vai com o governo, me estou contente que aconteça de Aruba. Estava estrategicamente assim, na delegação de Holanda, para me pôr a loca e outro não para contestar. De vez aqui me estou contente com Aruba a contestar, com uma nota para trás de local com o governo, a visa of Hasi. Que mendi, so nang nami agradecido também, mesora, kubo a signos, anto mais claro, maneira sempre me bisabo, quando é bom para nós assistir costas aqui nós me de abo sustém, ora que outro nang também um candidato a visa e a banda, nós está de abo sustém. Que mendi cooperar com nós, sostener-nos, modo que nós possamos crescer junto, seguir dando mais de tipo de live streaming lang aqui, passou seja que o gosta ou não, mundo abai over de live streaming, mundo abai over de ele qual que nós está se olha aqui, consequentemente nós também pedir abo para se donação então para nós conseguir assim é grande trabalho aqui. Que aqui me finalizar também, me finalizar me com o telefone, me sou de político mais importante mesmo que chamando me aqui, enkele que me na Sint Maarten, por isso que me na Corsou, na be wakta kiko e timpami, anto manhã, não, aqui dato, beijo aqui 7 minutos começar a produção do programa de Judikson, e com um amigo a também conversar, anto manhã que nós tinha Leo, com su even toets, anto depois de ser nós tinha once a cup, always a cup, anto já domingo, wake up, smell the coffee, e depois analisando, nós também temos como invitado, meneer Josepa, arquiteto Josepa, que está referi de FFK, me está trazendo de 2 invitados mais, também de grupo de carnaval de Holanda, que nós também abre, que me queda pendiente, a ver, eu vou também de flyer subir. Tchau, tchau.